That one from daily.
Okay, from daily this side. Let's see. I get it. If I have my lowest low on that level, and then I'll come highlight my highest height. So I'll take a trend line from the lowest low. So this trend line in Banchaware, it's a what? It's an uptrend.
Oh yeah.
So what's done on the lower side has to also be done on the higher side. So I'll take another trend line that side. Yeah, but so. And then now I'll just highlight levels where I think price 10 previously. So
Mm.
this was one of it. So right now, if you can check, price break even that level, price broke that level, and we had almost two of them, and again it was this level here where we had a breakout. So let's go to
Sure.
the 4 hour and see. So on the 4 hour, we could see that price started with the what? Price started with an impulse, and then there a good correction. So we had a correction around this level, and then there was a what? There was a breakout. And again, if I take a trend line from the previous point, which is this one going down, there's a what? There's a breakout, and this was a
Mm.
what? This was a break and a retest to the trend line. So now we're here. Now I can do this thing. It's I'm going in with the buy.
Yeah, ish, I can see it, bro. Cause making it reverse back what harder, Joe. Hey, it's gonna be a flop. And a lot of things are confirming a buy here.
Just look at the last three candlesticks, Juice. The last three candlesticks that we had from the smaller one, it's a one, two, three. So those are the soldiers. And the candlestick that's happening right now is a continuation candlestick to the upper side.
Sure, yeah. Oh yeah.
Marayona, 1 hour, how is it looking?
Mm. Ish, you know what is the problem? And today is Friday, so
But even on
I don't.
the 1 hour, Joe, it created what we call if you take a trend line here, it's a one, two, three, and the trend line is respected. So it,
Mm.
so I want to so we're just gonna take the what we call the impulse of these to the from that level, and then put it on the current market. So if we were to put this on the current market, now I'm going in with the buy. This one is a straight buy without fear or favor.
Yeah, Mara, you're right because it's above the last zone there. Yeah, yeah, the last zone that happened 04 April 2024. I want. You're near more fast, yeah, I wanna.
Yeah,
Yeah. So hey, selling on top of a zone is a it's a suicide.
and check out the M15. We're on the M15. So on the M15, if we were to take a trend line here inside 1, 2, if your trend line connects 2 to 3 touches, it's correct. And then again, I come take another one. So if there's a break there, over. So with that break, you that certifies or now I'm going up, you.
Yeah, are you still holding your trade?
Those ones, the 10 million.
Yeah,
That 10 million is a
I didn't even see if it was 10 or I just saw you were holding buys.
Ay, nah. That one is already about. I was telling someone, I'm like, if this happened, because those were just trades that we opened and
Yeah,
I just kept checking. God, if this happened in real life, I was going to buy my mom a house, get like a Ferrari, give a stale.
Kautor.
That's a lot of money there.
Eish, this market will kill us. This is the death of us, but
But yeah, it's a buy, Jew. Strictly buy.
I
This
know
thing,
I
I
think
don't
I
think
think
it will retrace
it's a
anytime
straight
soon.
line. It's
Check out
straight
this
line.
this zone here. I think price will touch that level. I can't see 39540. That can be the TP.
Oh, you mean the current high that is there?
Yeah, yeah, they are highlighted. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see.
So yeah.
I
As you
know,
know,
shut up.
guys, you're meant for a Nasdaq Ninja. Shout out, my boy. Keep the inspiration going.
Shut up. Your analysis is clean, Panay.
You know, man, like you can never go wrong. Like, bro.
I'm Manando the goat. Who's you?
As you all know me, your mentor, Nasdaq Ninja.
Shut up.
Shout out, boys.
Hey, even I'm signing out. Ish.
Guys, man under the goat. I'm signing out.
Shut up.